Figma AI Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are added in the description. Figma AI is an integrated set of artificial intelligence tools built directly into the Figma ecosystem to speed up design, ideation, and collaboration without breaking existing workflows. It focuses on automating repetitive tasks, generating design content, and helping teams move from concept to polished UI faster. Core features include AI-powered design generation from text prompts, automatic layout suggestions, instant copywriting for UI elements, image generation and background replacement, smart layer renaming, and rapid creation of wireframes and prototypes. Figma AI also helps summarize design feedback, rewrite microcopy, and suggest improvements based on context. This tool is made for product designers, UI and UX teams, startups, agencies, and cross-functional product teams that already rely on Figma for real-time collaboration. One of Figma AI's biggest strengths is seamless integration. Because it works natively inside Figma, there's no learning curve or external tools to manage. Designers can generate layouts, text, and visual elements directly on the canvas, saving significant time during early ideation and iteration phases. Another strong point is collaboration, as AI-generated designs can instantly be reviewed, edited, and refined by the entire team in real time. The AI also respects design systems by adapting outputs to existing components, styles, and constraints, which is critical for production-ready work. However, Figma AI has some weaknesses. The quality of generated designs depends heavily on prompt clarity and existing design structure. While it's excellent for inspiration, drafts, and speed, it doesn't replace human judgment or advanced design thinking. Complex brand guidelines, accessibility nuances, and highly customized visuals still require manual refinement. Some AI features are limited to paid plans, which may be restrictive for freelancers or small teams. Additionally, early-stage AI-generated visuals can sometimes feel generic without further iteration. Overall, Figma AI is a powerful productivity boost rather than a replacement for designers. It excels at accelerating workflows, reducing repetitive work, and helping teams explore ideas faster while staying inside a familiar environment. If you already use Figma and want to design smarter, iterate quicker, and collaborate more efficiently, Figma AI is a valuable upgrade that delivers real-world results.